So you probably know I love great STEM materials, especially STEM materials that are reusable. You know, it's easy to get stuck having to keep buying more and more resources. Think more tape, more hot glue sticks, but we don't have those unlimited budgets. That's why I love things like 3-Nurcs connectors that connect cardboard together. And when I saw the idea called Nurcs, N-U-R-C-S, and they come in these 500-piece starter packs, 300 connectors, and 200 craft sticks to get you started. So really excited that Mike sent me a few of these packages. I want to test them out and see what they're like. And I can imagine it says age 8 through 99. They're really small, probably not great for a little kid, but check these out. All different size pieces, ways to connect. I see some 360 style connectors. I see 90 degrees. I see straight connectors. Very solid plastic. Whole bunches of ideas. Just waiting for our kids to do some designing, to do some creating. I can't wait to take these to my classroom and see what the kids can make. Let's try some of these. So it looks like it clips super simple right onto, look at that, just clips right together. No hot glue, no mess, no burned fingers. Let me grab one of my craft sticks I happen to have around here. Looks like it fits in there just the same. So this is just a little bit different angle. You could tell that maybe just because, you know, some craft sticks are different thicknesses. Some are gonna fit in there a little easier than others. You can offset them. You can turn them different directions. When you're normally stuck with craft sticks with glue all over them, and you just end up with a bunch of nasty gluey stuff. Look at this. Pop them apart. Put them back in the bag, put them back in a container, and back to using them again next time. Really excited about these Nurcs. Check them out, Nurcs.com.